Hello, this is an LED light that I bought on Amazon. It's really cool. It works perfect for what I needed. It's got three different color tones and then brightness and levels too. As you see here, when I switch it, there's the different like daylight, soft white, and then just normal too colors. And you just tap that little like touch. It's like a touch screen, touch sensitive button on the top like that. And also, you can hold on the button like this, and it will dim it. And then holding again will make it brighter. And it also included this here remote with it that you can do all the same controls basically as touching the button on the top. So as you see here, you can do the different brightness settings here. The side buttons do the tone differences, and then there's also quick access to brightness at the bottom for night tones, which are dimmer. As you see, you can see the little LEDs there. And then this here one is really bright for reading. There you go. And it attaches down here on the base to your desk. It clamps on. I'll show you here, right there on the table, how it attaches. It's really convenient. And underneath, it's a clamp. Like this, you turn, you twist it, and it clamps on there. And then it plugs in right there, a power adapter. So yeah, this is a great light for the price. You can't really beat it. It's sturdy. That arm stays straight. I mean, not as you see, it's not straight for me, but it can bend. You know, it can go any which way. I am going to post a link in the video description to this listing on Amazon. So if you're interested, you can purchase one for yourself. Thanks for watching today, and like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more of these.